Engine Classic Cars Gallery is a unique place where memories and dreams mingle together. Touring cars, sports cars, competition cars with unique history, models of various brands from all over the world, representatives of extraordinary eras. Take a look at the cars on display in their original and restored condition, which open the hearts of young and adult car lovers alike. We view the worthy counterbalance to traditional museum expositions and showrooms as the natural effort to elevate the object of a private collector's passion to the living proof of human desire for perfection, speed and beauty. These are the objects that should be seen by all those who are able to appreciate them. Besides the actual exposition, the gallery is a venue for interesting lectures, social meetings, thematic modern art exhibitions and car auctions. And it of course is the place where classic cars traditionally start their competitions. Several generations of Porsche 911s dating from the 1970s to the beginning of the new millennium, as well as 3 generations of models with a transaxle concept with a gearbox at the rear axle, 924, 944 and 968. The Engine Group collection includes both the classic Carrera version and the top turbo version with wider rear fenders and a distinctive rear spoiler, here in a modernized form with a 3.3-liter engine. The upcoming model 964 is exhibited in both coupe and convertible versions, while the latest air-cooled model 993 in the Carrera 4S and Carrera S versions. The youngest is the facelifted model 996 in the Turbo S version, black. Compact models with a front-mounted engine are available in all generations, with the 924 Turbo, green, 944 Turbo, gold brown, and 968 Tiptronic, dark purple, versions. Facilities of vehicles that are part of the portfolio of the investment fund Engine Classic Cars. In the foreground is a 6-cylinder Fiat 130 Coupe, a convertible with a fixed folding roof Ferrari California T from the limited 70-piece edition for the 70th anniversary of the Ferrari brand, and the original Shelby GT 350 Coupe. Next up is the iconic Citroën DS21 in the top luxury version of the Palace, the 12-cylinder Ferrari 512 TR, an evolution of the legendary Ferrari Testarossa from the 1980s, and the result of a joint Volkswagen and Porsche project, the 914 6ths in a top-of-the-range version with a 911. Last but not least, the first-generation Volkswagen Golf GTI and the 8-cylinder Ferrari 360 Modena. Other, original racing cars of the investment fund are displayed directly in front of the showroom: Lancia Stratos HF, Fiat 131 Abarth and Renault Alpine A110.